Hello guys, Escape here, and today we're going to do a prank. This one is a classical prank, as we know it. So we're basically going to be pranking someone with a plastic cup falling on their heads and getting them all wet. Well, that's what we're going to do today. Shut up. Shut up. So, this is my video, not yours. So, if we could find any glass cup, then we'd be okay. Alright, look. Perfect. I would recommend pizza cups or something like that, which I like. So, we're gonna be pranking. We're gonna get a cup of water. Yeah, my Mexican cousins are just talking in the background. I really don't care, but good thing it's not gonna get annoying. There, now the water's cup is filled.
Hello.
So now, hey, shut up. This is my video, not yours. So, then we got the cup of water. Now, we're not going in my room. I know whose room we're going in. So, now we're gonna basically leave the door open. I'm gonna go to the top here. Now, I'm gonna put it here, right on the top of the door. Hopefully it's gonna scare them a bit. Now we're just gonna wait for someone. I'll be back with you guys. Like, as soon as any random victim comes to the bathroom. Bye guys. I'm back. And we're ready for our victim. Please close the door. Do it. Don't look up. Just do it. Just do it. Will you? No! Ah, dude. That was an accidental self-prank. Dude. I think you got me pretty good. Dude. I bet you... Have fun.